Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a wave of, I would say, complaints and ranting at Microsoft in some of the businesses with IT departments, especially because most big networks have what we call managed PCs, which basically can't do whatever they want. You have to have the IT guy come over and do it if something has to be changed in order to, make sure that every PC doesn't have either crapware or doesn't do something that it shouldn't. But there's also in a lot of businesses what's called unmanaged PCs, which are free to do a lot more, including one that they're a little mad about. Microsoft has been, and I started pushing again, and they say that they will be even more aggressive starting in April, a prompt on some of these PCs saying, oh, you are ready to upgrade to the free Windows 11. And of course, not everybody asks the tech guy, should I do it or not? And they click the get it, because a lot of them don't see the very small keep Windows 10 on the bottom left. And because of that, some PCs are upgrading to Windows 11, which messes up things, especially when they are connected to some networks. And often also messes up things because they get to Windows 11 and they're like, what just happened? Things are different, and I don't know how to manage my stuff now. So this is creating a problem because the IT departments are saying, why don't you make it clear that you can just not do it rather than have that very small button? And of course, the answer to that is simple. Microsoft wants you to go to Windows 11. So they try to, it's almost like hiding it. They make it so small that a lot of people, just don't see it. As a tech guy, when I went to do some tech duties, one of the things I noticed is how very shallow the vision of your screen is for a lot of people. A lot of people go into menus, go into different settings, go into different areas, and miss out on details that is on the screen that a tech guy like me would see easily. And of course, I could imagine a lot of people not seeing that keep Windows 10. So this is creating a stir in some of the departments. A lot of IT guys are like going crazy in Microsoft saying, oh, come on. It's already enough to manage, how everything works in a business. We don't need to have the crap of an upgrade, a forced upgrade that was done because the user didn't know what to do and just clicked, oh, okay, get it. I guess it's okay. So, unfortunately, it's sad to see that a company has to revert to kind of sneaky ways of pushing things on users rather than, just being open. It would be a million times better, I'm pretty sure, with a lot of people if Microsoft would just be saying, oh, by the way, we've got Windows 11. If you want it, you're okay. I mean, there's okay. I have no problem with the, within the Windows Update, a little square that says, your PC is ready for Windows Update. Just, you can click here, but stay at that level. Don't put a full screen pop-up with a really small keep Windows 10. I think people would be happier like that, and it would kind of just say, well, okay, when they want us to go to Windows 11, but at least I'm not, being heckled in some way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.